Alright guys, this is Mrs. Luther and I'm just going to show you how to get into Encyclopedia Britannica from home. So first you go to MackinVIA.com and it's right here and it's also in my top part of my screen. You're going to enter in our school's name, which is McCluskey. It should generate on there. So then you go ahead and press log in. I'm signed in to my school account already on my OneDrive, so that might generate for you. But otherwise, as your username, put in your lunch number, and the password for everyone is lowercase read, R-E-A-D. Okay, so once you're in Destiny, you'll have this sidebar, and you're going to go right here to databases. All the databases are in alphabetical order except for Destiny Catalog, which gets priority. And you're just going to scroll right here to Britannica Online School Edition for middle school, and you're going to open it. So you'll get a new tab right here. That's what you're supposed to have. And we were learning about the Atlantic slave trade in regards to the triangular trade, but this is the article that we are reading in class. And there you have it. So you can look at the article right here through my screen on this video, or you can go on here and look through MackinVIA yourself. So that's how you get on it. It's password protected because Britannica does cost money, but with the county, we do have free access to it. So comment under this post if you have a question, and hopefully I'll be able to get back to you this evening. Thank you.